Within Hindsight, you have the ability to look at when supplier bills due have become overdue or will be becoming due in the next X days. You'll see for an example I've got here for Hindsight, I've got a priority of critical set to this. So for this client, I've deemed that the paying their suppliers on time is critical. There are 4 bills overdue or due within the next 14 days, which total £107. If these bills are paid, my new bank balance would be £2,389. On average, I pay my suppliers in 0 days. So I probably pay the majority of my suppliers by debit, credit card, or direct debit. You'll see from the graph underneath, the items denoted in blue are the ones that are becoming due in the next 14 days. The ones that are in pink are the ones that are already overdue. You can also see what the percentage of the total overdue is as a percentage of our total. So currently 44% of our purchase ledger is overdue. And the oldest one is the 8th of February. So this one's not too bad. It's a small amount of money, and the oldest invoice is actually only just over a week old. So nothing too much to be concerned about. If I wanted to change these parameters, I can decide in here whether I want to update this. I could snooze it and I could assign it to somebody else for going forwards. If I look at the table underneath, we've actually got hyperlinks back to the 0 items, so you can clearly see which of the invoices that are outstanding, when they're due. If it's a negative figure, then obviously that is an overdue balance. If it's a positive number, then that's becoming due in the next 5 days, just to give you an idea of what the cash flow is looking like going forward. As well as hyperlinks into the actual invoices and bills, we've also got a hyperlink to take you to the payables detail. Sometimes you don't want to look at the individual items, you want to get an overview of the entire ledger, so we've added that in just to make it for easy workflow and navigation. Across the top here, we can see we can copy this information. That's now copied it to my clipboard, so I could send that in an email to a client. I can download it to Excel, or I can also download it as a PDF document. That enables me, if the client is responsible for doing their own bookkeeping, to easily pass this information across to them without doing too much work. If I've updated the bank or paid these invoices, I'll be able to hit the complete button to tell Hindsight that we've dealt with the issue. I've also got the ability to dismiss an invoice. This gives me the option to dismiss individual invoices if I don't want the system to alert me about them going forwards. So that's Supplier Bills Due, a nice, neat and easy way to get an understanding of a client's purchase ledger without too much heavy lifting.